Good morning and what is up, nerds? And don't worry, I'm probably the biggest nerd here. Today I'm working on Transpose matrix, so I needed to know how to do this before I did a problem I posted yesterday in my Slack channel called rotate image. So that was basically a prerequisite. So I'm going to go over this one real quick. This one's really simple. I actually had to do this in one of my CS classes in a bash script, so Java makes it a lot easier in my opinion. So it reads, given a matrix A, return the transpose of A. The transpose of a matrix is the matrix flipped over its main diagonal, switching the row and column indices of the matrix. So basically, we're just, if you could imagine you completely turn it into a 3D dimensional, through a 3D dimension. So -1 is over here and -18, or that looks wrong because that's not -18 over here. Okay, anyways, they made a mistake. And it doesn't have to be n by n, so I did a test case. Where is it? I did a test kit. Oh, I didn't add it this time. I'm gonna add it now. So I wanted to do a n by n test case. So 10, 11, 12, and let's add that bracket. So that's what we're going to test against. And let me show you guys on my iPad. So the only ones that are going to be swapped are the ones whose I element or I index is different than the J index. So as you see here, one has an I of 0 and J of 0. So it stays the same. Same for 5. It's 1 and 1 and 1 and 1. So it stays the same. And 9 is 2 and 2. So it stays the same. But when you have an n by n matrix, only 1 and 2, 1 and 12 stay the same, because it's 0 and 0 and 3 and 3. So the 7 here is 2 0, but now it becomes 0 2. So that's all we have to do. We just have to swap the J's and the I's. So that's how we're going to solve this problem. So let's jump right into the code. So let's grab the rows length. So int rows equals a.length. You guys should know how to do this by now. And the columns is a0 dot length. And let's create our 2D matrix that we're going to return. New int, and let's give it, we have to swap the, remember we're swapping the columns and rows, so the columns comes this time, we're going to be returning 3 rows instead of 4 rows this time, so we got to swap the columns and rows. So columns goes where rows normally does, and rows goes where columns normally does. And then we're just going to loop through where I is going to, we're going to loop through the rows first. So it's going to be 2 for loops. So it's going to be O of n squared running time. And then it's just going to be O of n space complexity because we had to create a new matrix. And for J is going to be for the columns. We're going to loop through the columns. So J less than columns. And then we just have to set, so remember we're swapping the J and I values, so matrix J of I equals AI of J. And boom, we're done. It's transposed. We just have to return the matrix. So I'll run this for you guys, and I'll actually go through the debugger real quick. And I forgot an equals, so it's going so fast. So if we go through the debugger real quick, I'll just show you guys how this works. Hopefully it helps you visualize it. Really recommend LeetCode Premium if you guys are studying for interviews. It just helps a lot. So one's gonna go here, just like on my iPad. Let me see if I can pull them both up side by side. So, no, it's not going to work unless I do this. Oh, sorry. No, that's not going to work. All right, let's just go through it. So 2 is going to go there. 3 is going to go right here. And then 4 is going to go here in the first row, second column. And then 5 is going to go in the second row, second column, and on and on. And I don't want to loop through the whole thing. I'm sure you guys get it by now, but thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be posting more videos. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys want me to do any specific problems, please let me know, and I will. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.